recycle? If so, that's great. In this video, we're going to look at how two simple materials properties can be used to separate the materials you'll often find in your recycling bin. So in many household recycling boxes, such as this, you can recycle and store an awful lot of different kinds of materials. So in this one, we've got glass, plastic and metal food and drink cans. So as you can see, examples of plastic, milk bottles and pill bottles. And then we've got glass bottles and jars, settle tins and drinks cans. So if we were to separate all these out into different kind of materials, it'd be very easily just to separate them by hand. So I go, here's some plastic, metal here, glass over here. But it's fine on a small scale such as this. But when you get to household recycling centres, there's tons and tons of recycling. So there's got to be an easy way of separating them. The two materials properties that we're going to take advantage of to separate these three materials are the magnetic properties and density. So first of all, I'm going to take this magnet here and I'm going to see which of these three materials are magnetic. So we'll try the plastic first. So we can see that plastic is not magnetic. Let's try these metal bottle caps. You can see that they are magnetic. This is because they're made of steel, which has got iron in, which is magnetic. And then the glass marbles, as you can see, are not magnetic. So the magnetic properties of the materials is one way that we can separate out the metal from the glass and plastic. So if we take some of these out and we mix these materials together, you can see if we use the magnet, we only get the metal out. So we've looked at the magnetic properties of the plastic, metal and glass. Now let's look at something called density. Density is how heavy something is in comparison to its size. And if you put an object in water that is less dense than water, it will float, but if it's more dense than water, it will sink. So we're going to try metal bottle cap, glass marble and a plastic bottle top. So first of all, we'll try this. And you can see it sinks. So we'll try the glass marble, and that sinks as well. And let's try the plastic top, and you can see that floats. So this gives us another materials property that we can use to separate out these three materials. As we've seen, the magnetic properties and the density of plastic, metal and glass are not the same. So now we're going to have a bowl full of mixed recycling and we're going to separate it. So what I'm going to do is pour them all there into the water. Give it a bit of a stir. So the first ones I'm going to remove are going to be the plastic. So I've just got a slotted spoon, you could use a sieve, and simply fish out plastic. And then get the magnet to get the metal bottle caps out. There we go. We've separated that mixture into metal glass and plastic. So you can get the glass out of the water by simply sieving it. So there you go. The use of two simple materials properties can be used to separate a mixture of metal, glass and plastic. So why don't you have a go at home or in the classroom? You can download a worksheet for this, and why not time yourself to see how quickly you can separate a mixture of 10 glass marbles, 10 plastic bottle tops and 10 metal magnetic bottle tops.